Hello people, how you doing? Today's video is how to write Korean with mechanical pencil. Like I told you earlier, I'm using a Uni Alpha Gel Slim mechanical pencil. Okay, I'm going to write Korean cursive style. Okay, first of all, write like a brush pen. You know, like thick and thin lines. You need to grind on one side, sort of like that. Then if you see, should be like this, sort of sharp. Okay, then I'm gonna write some words and expression. First word is 다람쥐. 다람쥐 is a squirrel. So you notice it, you can express thick and thin lines with a mechanical pencil also, to you know, using this method. Okay, but the thing is, the tip is you gotta keep that angle, right? This is 다람쥐. 다람쥐. G, only G is a mouse or a rat. We don't have a word for rat. Maybe 들쥐, maybe that. I'm gonna write second word, 사. 람. 사람 is a person. 사람들 is people. Third word I'm gonna write is 거울. 거울 is a mirror. Yeah, so you can also express sharp lines like that. So I'm writing in cursive style. 한국. I'm going to write 한국. 한국 is Korea. 한. 국. Next one is 놀이터. 놀이터 is a playground. Whoops. Next word is computer. 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 Okay. The next one is 엄마. 엄마 is mom. 엄마. And I is a child. I and 용돈 is allowance, money. Alright, and next word is 고맙습니다. 고맙습니다 is thank you. There are two ways to say thank you. 고맙습니다 and 감사합니다. 고 맙 씀 리 다. Next one is 사랑합니다. 사랑합니다 is I love you. I love you. 사 랑 함 니 다. Right? The next one is 미안합니다. 미안합니다 is I'm sorry. 미 안 함 니 다. Next one is 성공. 성공 means success. 성공. The last one is 돈. 돈 means money. Money is everything. Money changes everything. You agree with that? I don't agree with that. Okay. These are Korean words that I wrote with a mechanical pencil in cursive style. Okay, and I hope this video helped you learn and write Korean cursive style with a mechanical pencil or any tool that you have. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you with a new video. Bye bye.